Hey stellar guitarists, it's Amber here and I'm so excited for today's tutorial. We are going to be learning to play Watermelon Sugar by Harry Styles. If you are a complete beginner to the guitar, then this tutorial is for you. What we are going to be doing is learning 4 simple guitar chords and a really easy stripped down version of the strumming pattern. Let's get into the lesson. So the first thing that we need to take note of is that the song is in standard tuning, which means we will not be needing a capo. In the original song that Harry plays, he uses a combination of 7th chords, which are not particularly beginner friendly. And like I said at the start of the lesson, this is a beginner lesson. So we are going to be playing 4 basic open chords. The first chord you're going to need is a D minor, A minor, C major, and G major. Let's play through that again, 1 strum on every 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. So the cool thing is that you could actually play the entire song by just doing what we did right now. 4 counts, 1 strum. And you'll see later on in the video, I will incorporate that into the first verse of the song. If you are enjoying this video and you're finding value in the content, then please hit that subscribe button and like this video. Your support is really appreciated. Let's get back into the video. The strumming pattern that we're going to be using for this version of the song sounds like this: down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want more berries and that summer feeling. It's so wonderful and warm. Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know go without. I'm just thinking out loud. I don't know if I could ever go without watermelon sugar high, 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 watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar. I hope you enjoyed this lesson today and that you will enjoy playing and practicing Watermelon Sugar. If you've got any more song suggestions, then please drop them down below in the comment section and I will see you in the next video.